Hello my YouTube audience, very warm welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you all alphabetically keyboard commands that will save your time and it will make you expert in it field. So, I request my partner to continue the remaining part of the video.
Hi, this is Oz speaking. So let's begin our video without wasting any time. Ctrl+A equals select all. Ctrl+B equals bold. Ctrl+C equals copy. Ctrl+D equals default font set. Ctrl+E equals center. Ctrl+F equals find. Ctrl+G equals go to. Ctrl+H equals replace. Ctrl+I equals italic. Ctrl+J equals justify. Ctrl+K equals hyperlink. Ctrl+L equals align text to left. Ctrl+M equals hanging indent. Ctrl+N equals new document. Ctrl+O equals open. Ctrl+P equals print. Ctrl+Q equals add space. Ctrl+R equals align text to right. Ctrl+S equals save as. Ctrl+T equals left indent. Ctrl+U equals underline. Ctrl+V equals paste. Ctrl+W equals close. Ctrl+X equals cut. Ctrl+Y equals repeat, redo. Ctrl+Z equals undo.